There we learn how to use this CNC for exercise welding robot. You can see here is X, here is Z, and this one is U, right? And here is Y, here is Y. We can hear this cable. When you receive the machine, you first contact the controller. Controller is connected here, and the input power is 220. We have this market on it. Also here is 220 AC voltage, and then here is when you receive the machine is here. When you contact your welding power, we hear first one and two is 1 and 1 2. You contact your welding power, the switch on or off. Here also have another switch. We have dreams. I will send you. Okay. When you contact your welding power, only contact 1 and 2. 1 and 1 2 is control your welding power. Then we can start input. Turn the switch, open the board. Okay, power. When you turn it, we can first see the servo. The BB, right? It's long. When you run it, here show you the run. You can see it. This means is servo is okay. In a moment, because the controller is open now. Need about 3 minutes. Okay. Here is can see the robot. Can see the motor. Can have something. Then we can see the it's eight long. The servo is good. Okay. Now we just how to learn contact the power. Then open the switch, check the servo and the controller. We next do it again another.